Yeah! How you guys doing? Okay, so I'm back here with the CR. As I just told you guys before, I got two of them. This one's pretty much a rolling frame. Look, the axle is just some nuts from Ace Hardware. But anyways, next week is the Payson trip, so we've got a couple things to do. There's a spring that we need for the carburetor. We're gonna swap out the rear suspension. Gonna swap out handlebars. Oh my God, that scared the shit out of me. I'll be back with you.
I didn't record any of this, but at this point I went ahead and took the rear suspension off of one of the CRs, put it on that one, took the forks off of one, put it on the other, added the clutch cable, a couple other things, and at this point we gassed her up and she was ready to go.
Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to start this thing for the first time. Got everything together, as you can see. Should be ready to ride. Now, we had a little bit of scare with this thing earlier. I wish I had footage of it, but I don't. Fucking just throttled up, like full throttle right away. So, hopefully this time it's good. I don't know.
Well, she's running. Sounds good.
So you find your way back home.
Alright. Well, she runs.
Alright. She motherfucking runs. Yes, that's what we'll be waiting for. That's all we wanted to hear. Alright, guys. Here she is. Compared to my pictures on Facebook, she actually looks like a bike now. I'm gonna paint the frame red, the plastic's black, get some new, damn. But yeah, here we go, baby. We're going to Payson. Alright, so she's old, she's a 94, but completely rebuilt motor. Hopefully it works out. We don't have to jet, we're not gonna jet me differently. We're gonna see how it goes. But anyways, this has been a journey and a half. But it's finally rounding up to the victory lap. So stay tuned, come back next time. Woo. Pretty sure the next time I'll be in Payson, riding that motherfucker. So please come back, take a look, leave a like, subscribe, do those things, you know. Take it easy. I'm Mark. Peace.
Until you find your way back home.
Yeah, there we go.